What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. So today we have a full agenda ahead of us. I'm going to be doing a lifetime Discord giveaway as well as a $50 cash giveaway to Trading Wars Army members. So please stay tuned all the way to the end. We're going to be looking at the 4-hour chart, the day trading highlights, market outlook, and then we're going to get to the giveaways at the end. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear, and we're going to get right into it right now. Okay. All right. So one thing that I want to do today is I want to be able to show you guys the key difference between the swing trading and the day trading. I want to take you into a journey that can educate you guys and just really get you guys ready to see the differences between day trading and swing trading. Okay. So the first thing is the 4-hour chart has 32 candles in a week. Okay. So think about it like this, my friends. A lot of people are overwhelmed when they're trading. There's too much going on. There's too much trades. There's over trading. How can we defeat that issue? Well, let's look at this is the 4-hour chart right here, my friends. And this right here was Sunday of last week. I'm going to take this arrow right here. This is Sunday of last week, opening right here at 6 p.m. And these are all the candles right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, blah, 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 blah. These are the 32 candles, okay, that make up that range. All right. So let's go ahead here and I'll get the rectangle. These are the 32 candles that traded for the week. That's it. There's only 32 candles in a week for the 4-hour chart. So what I'm saying there, guys, is based on 32 candles, you're only going to get 1 or 2 good entries on the week if you're focusing on the bigger time frame for the swing plays. Hit me with a 5 if that makes sense. And that's exactly why I created the Fibonacci Society, was to look for these 1 or 2 really good swing trade setups per week. And I'm going to walk you through the 2 good trades that the setups for this week. And I'm going to talk to you how I played them. Okay. All right. Okay. So the first thing is I ended up starting off the week. So right here in this box, I was up $6,123 on the contract that we swung from last week. Okay. And what you'll notice here, guys, is I didn't get the full $6,000. I ended up closing around $2,800 because these 2 candles that came in took out my trailing stop loss. Okay. So I'm going to use the long position tool and I'll show you. So I ended up going long on the 618. This one was from the week before, Thursday. And then I used the 1R trailing stop loss, which is right around here. Actually, my stop loss was a little bit tighter. So the one was right on this wick somewhere around here. Okay. So I ended up getting out of this trade on the way down. And I only locked in $2,800. But at the prime, I was up $6,000 on that trade. Okay. And then what you'll notice here is this pattern was the same pattern from last week. If we look here, guys, we have a clear low to high and a 618 pullback. And if I take my Fibonacci tool from the low to the high, the pullback, and then the new extension into the 618, this was a clear harmonic pattern. Okay, it's the dragon pattern with the double wings, the double pullback system. And what I did was, because I ended up getting stopped out on the trailing stop loss of this trade, I ended up taking another trade, a day trade right here for $1,800 using the re-entry of this 618 area. Okay, so I ended up taking this trade for $1,800. I'm going to walk that through in a second, but I wanted to tell you, so instead of me re-entering on the 618 for a swing, I actually took it as a day trade because we had the FOMC and I was able to take profits quickly on that. All right, so I have a few highlights for you guys here. So this was the initial trade from the week before. This was the entry on the 618, and we called this out live in the Discord on the screen share. We shared our screens and called it out live, told everybody we got long. And from there, we had the retest over here. And then the only other valid setup, guys, is if you look closely on this huge wick, we had a Fibonacci as well. If I come off of the high to the low like this, we had this pullback, and I'm going to go ahead and put on the full. And you'll see right here, we had another 618, 786 Fibonacci pullback. So for me, I did not take the short because I was in the long. All right. But if we really want to boil things down and get serious about making money, if you want to swing trade and you want to just take 1 or 2 trades a week, there's only 32 4-hour candles, 32 candles. In 32 candle, guys, I'm sure you can get 1 good trade. Okay, hit me with a 10 if you understand what I'm saying. So this is for the people that cannot look at the screen every single day. They cannot day trade. They cannot be a part of all of that. They need to have a simple, easy method. This is the simple, easy method that I've developed. And this is a part of the Fibonacci Society. So you'll see in the Fibonacci Society right here, guys, I go step by step with all the trades we're taking. We have voice notes. And then on Thursdays and Friday, we do the screen share where we open up the screen and you guys can watch along live. All right. All right. So I really wanted to just share that with you guys because I feel that if you really boil it down to 32 candles, I think that you guys are going to be able to have an easier time for the ones that are struggling with information overload on the 5-minute chart as an example. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to switch over to the 5-minute chart on SPY. All right. And I'm going to walk you through 2 trades that we took. So now what I'm showing you here is the other side of trading where there's hundreds of candles in the week using a 5-minute chart as an example. All right. And I want to show you how I'm able to extract profits using this style. But this style is going to require you to be able to wake up every single day and look at the chart, look at the plan that we lay out in the Discord, look at the fills that we lay out in the Discord, and make sure that you're able to react on a 5-minute chart, which is not for everybody. Hit me with the 17 if that makes sense. For me, the best thing that I've been able to do is do a combination of hitting the 5-minute chart and the 4-hour chart, because that gives me the ability to extract the most profit from the markets. But some people are not going to be able to do all of that. Okay. So I'm going to walk you guys through it right now. All right. So I'm going to show you the 2 big winners we had. We had some small losers, but these 2 winners right here, guys, you'll see the risk to reward. If you hit one of these winners, it pretty much pays for the whole week. So I'm going to walk you through that. All right. So coming in, this is Tuesday. We ended up going short. Here's the broker statement. We went short at 944 using 5 micro contracts at 51.40.50, and we sold them at 11.08 for about a $500 profit at 493 after commissions. And this trade was about an hour and a half long, and it was a pretty quick winner. Okay, so then you're going to say, Rich, why did you go short at 944? Okay, so here's the candle that I went short on. I try to highlight it for you guys. So 2 things that I'm going to show you. First, let's go into the Discord. And the day trades are under Fibonacci live setups. Okay, I just want to show you guys the live call out for the 30th. So just that you guys see it. It's not, that we call this out live. So here's the 30th. And here was the alert for the filled short. Let me make sure I'm giving you guys the right date, April 30th. Yeah. So there was our filled short right there. Okay. So right here. And then if we scroll down, there's the broker statement that I pulled as well. So now what you want to do is if you're doing these type of day tradings, you have to involve the pre-market price action. That's what I've seen for the whole year, guys. It's been about pre-market price action. So if you look at this chart here on SPY, there's nothing in particular why you would want to short this candle. But let me show you a different picture. Let's go to MES and then let's go back to the 30th. Okay. So here is the 30th. So that same candle, which is this candle right here, is where we shorted right there. And then this is the 9:30 open. But if you look to the left, look at all of this price action that's happening before the open. So coming into the market open at 8:25 a.m., we had a big selling body candle. Look at the size of that big red bar. So that's telling me right there, my friends, there's a potential algorithm there short. So as soon as we touched the 618, I took that short and we were able to cover right away for $500. In hindsight, if I look back on this trade, you could see that we ended up covering around 11 o'clock, which was right here. Obviously, this could have went for about $2 or $3 grand, but that was early on in the week and I want to book some profit. All right. And then you'll see the next trade was the big winner. So what we were able to do with that trade, we got a 2R base hit. So we were risking about $250. We walked away with about $500. That will pay for the next 2 trades. Okay. If I have 2 losers right after that trade, I'll still break even. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. So I'm putting myself in a position to say, okay, I just paid for I pretty much paid for the week by getting a 2R winner. I pretty much paid for the week because if I play the rest of the trades and I have one winner, two losers, whatever it is, I'm still going to probably walk away with some profit. But then you have amazing days like this when we come back the next day and we crush it and we end up hitting 7.5 times our money. So this FOMC winner was 7.5 times our money. So it was $250 risk. We made $1,837. We went long at 10 a.m. Okay, this paid for the whole week. Truly, this is going to pay for the whole month from a day trading perspective. So again, we went long here. There's nothing in particular on this chart, but let's pre-market on futures and let's see what we can find. Okay, here we go. And this is the theme that I've been finding all year. Okay, so here is the 10 a.m. entry is right here. Like I just showed you guys, this is where we went long. But going into the open, we had a clear low at 6:30 a.m. and we trended higher all the way up until 9:30 a.m. right into the open. So that again showed me, look at the buyers. Okay, look at this wick right here. Look at this wick over here. Look at these buyers. So I used this with the 618 to enter in this area. And that's what allowed me to take this trade for profit. And then we also had the FOMC push that ripped right through. Okay. And then so you can see right here, we ended up selling it at 5,100 for a huge, massive winner. So when you're trading FOMC, it could also go the other way where it stops you out, but I'm only risking $250. But what's the upside? The upside is $1,800. So I'm willing to take that trade. So those two trades right there guaranteed me a profitable week, as long with that swing trade that I took over there. At one point I was up $6,000 on that trade. I was only able to walk away with close to $3,000, but I'm not going to complain about that. I also took option calls. These ones we took a while back. All right. So we ended up going long. It was a while ago. So I'm going to hop into the Discord and I'll show you Dragon Spy Lottos. So I ended up going 3 weeks out on these options, and they went to a high of 1232 and we got them at 797. Okay. So not a huge win, but still a really good base hit to keep us profitable. So that was the recap for the week, my friends. Hit me with the 15 if you found value on that. Please drop a like and subscribe if you can. You'll be eligible for the giveaways if you like and subscribe, so please do. And I just wanted to show you guys really two different realities. And the world works like that itself. There's people that focus on the bigger picture, and there's people that focus on, micromanaging. That's how people are in the world too. And trading is the same thing, because trading is a psychology of traders. It's a psychology of human beings that are trading instruments, buying and selling instruments. So you can see that there's a different way to trade. On the 4-hour chart, it's a bigger picture, 32 candles. On the 5-minute chart, it's more hectic. It's more crazy stuff going on. There's a balance to be found with those different styles of trading, but it's an exact mirror of society. It's an exact mirror of people that look at goals 5 years in advance, or people that don't even know what's going on 15 minutes from now. All right, hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. So I just wanted to show you that whatever you want to do in this game, you want to be a swing trader, you want to be a day trader, whatever you want to do, there's an option. You want to be an investor, you can be an investor. There's so many things. It's the beauty of the market. It mirrors exactly what happens in the world with the human aspect of psychology and the human aspect of time. All right, so it's beautiful. Okay, so what we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to do some market outlook, and then we're going to get into the giveaways. All right. So I just wanted to let you guys know as well, before we get into the market outlook, that anyone that is looking for those big swing trades that I do on the 4-hour chart, it's a part of the Fibonacci Society. It's a one-time charge of $150, and you get lifetime access. Plus, I'll give you an extra month in the day trading room, so you can check that out if you like it. It also comes with the screen shares for life, my friends. And on top of that, it comes with this beautiful book that I wrote, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci. It goes through my journal, my winning $16,000 over these trades here, as well as the broker statements and detailed charts. So check that out if you're interested. Okay. All right. So going back to the market outlook here, if we go to the weekly chart, I'm going to remove these drawings. If we go to the weekly chart here, we had an inside week breakout. Okay. So this hammer was that price action of last week, and we broke out of that inside hammer. So this hammer bar, this low needs to hold for the bulls to continue. If this hammer holds, then we can definitely see the bulls pushing to try to break all-time highs again. But if we start to have this false breakout, which would be something like this, and then a complete selling off, that is extremely bearish. So we're going to pay very close attention, and we're going to look for some swing trades next week to enter a potential pullback there. And if I go to the 4-hour chart, this Fibonacci is still trading. If we come off the low to the high like this, there's the 618. It's still trading. The extensions are 272, 618. There's a lot of extensions above. And if we look for the short, we come off of the high to the low right here, guys. We are getting into that 618, 5192 area. Is going to be a very, very powerful battleground. If you're looking to short, that's where I would look for an opportunity. Tesla, open gap below this hammer bar. So I'm looking to play Tesla as well. If Tesla comes below 179 area, I think it can fill that gap. If we turn the corner here, guys, that's going to be a nice little V bottom setup. NVIDIA, if we go to the daily chart here, my friends, we'll go to the weekly. We can see another inside hammer breakout. The NVIDIA definitely wants to retest all-time highs within the next 2 weeks. And again, same thing. This hammer wick needs to hold. If it holds, we definitely can retest that all-time high. Give me with a 17 if that makes sense, my friends. Beautiful. Appreciate you guys, okay? So let's do some giveaways right now, and we're going to wrap this baby up. Okay. So the first giveaway that I want to do is the $50 cash giveaway for Trading Wars Army members. So anyone with a green in their name, like I'm going to put some people up here, Dr. D, Anthony, John, Janice, Tommy, anyone with a green in their name, Spy, 007, Reggie, you're all eligible for this $50 cash giveaway. It's something that I want to do to give back to my community of people that are paying the $4.99 a month. And anybody that's interested, I just want to show you what that comes with. Okay, so you still have time to enter this one. So the membership, if you click on the membership tab, you get these custom spreadsheets that I do every day, exclusive swing trades, and access to the seminars for free. Okay, and you also get this $50 cash giveaway that I do. I try to do this at least once a month, or sometimes once every 2 months. So I want to share this with you guys, but I'm not sure. So if you are a member, go right here and please comment on this post right here, okay? And then we're going to do the other giveaway for free members right after this. But here you go, guys. Click on that and please leave a comment, and then we will pick the winner from there. All right. Now, for the free members, please comment. If you haven't already, most people have. But if you haven't already, my friends, please leave a comment. Let me find the right post right here. Please leave a comment that says done and click on both of my guides in order to enter the Lifetime Fibonacci Society giveaway. Okay? So I just posted it there in the chat. So hit me with a 7 when you guys are done and you're ready, and we'll pick the winners. Okay? So what I'm going to do for each one of these, for the Trading Wars Army members right here, I'm going to hit refresh. It's going to be the third person from the top. For this one as well, I'm going to hit refresh. It's going to be the third person from the top. Okay. So I'm going to give you guys another 30 seconds. So please go ahead and leave your comments in there. Okay. So if anyone wants to join the Trading Wars Army, it's $4.99. Just hit the join button below the video. Okay. And then you'll be able to join, my friends. All right. So 15 more seconds here, and then we'll do it. And guys, it's been a really good week. Start of May, end of April. It's been really good. And the only thing that I'm a little bit sad on is this trade right here that I showed you. I had a really good entry over here on this outside bar. And if all of this drama didn't happen, I could have easily been up about $8,000 or $9,000 right now. So, this FOMC, pre-FOMC, and then all of this action here made me only walk away with about 2,800, but it's still a 1.4 times risk to reward. So I'm very happy with that. And I'm just going to be looking for the next play. Can't complain as long as you're making money, right? But sometimes it's easy to look in hindsight. Yeah, to comment on this one, you have to be a Trading Wars Army member. Okay, you have to have the like David right here. You have to have be a part of that. It's something I want to do for these Army members because they're paying $4.99 a month, and the least that I could do is do some type of cash giveaway for somebody so that they can get $50 back. All right, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh that, but send me the fire in the chat first. Send the fire in the chat first, and we're gonna refresh it. All right. And then the third person from the top. Let's go. All right, so 1, 2, 3. So Mr. Bill Lawrence 5015, 1 minute ago. Bill Lawrence, you are the winner, my friend. I'm sure you're in the chat right now, Bill. So $50 cash. We can do Venmo or Zelle or whatever you want to do, brother. If you're already in the room, I can refund one of your payments. Just email me, my friend, rich@tradingwars.com, and I will take care of you. Bill, here he is. Bill, Mr. Bill Lawrence, guys, send some power to Bill. Let's see how long he's been a member. 1 year and 4 months. You definitely deserve it. And I thank you for all of the support. Okay, so here we go. For Twitter lifetime, I'm going to hit the refresh. Sorry, the Fibonacci lifetime from the Twitter. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, right here. So TW, okay, Trey_W1. He is the winner. I'm not sure if he's in this video or not, but I'll retweet this. Trey_W1, you are the winner. And I will email me, rich@tradingwars.com, and I will repost this if you're watching this video later. So guys, I'm doing 2, almost sometimes 3 lifetime Discord giveaways every single week. Okay, so you're gonna always get another chance. All you gotta do is make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button, and you have a high chance of winning, man. I'm telling you, because there's not that many people that are commenting. Okay, it's not like 5,000 comments. You have a pretty good chance of winning. So hit the comment, hit the like. Appreciate you guys. As always, check me out at tradingwars.com. Like I said, for the lifetime swing room, it's $150. You can buy it on the website. If you just want to come and try the room out, if you're a new member, I will be a first-time member. It's normally $50 a month for your first month. If you're a new member, I will do $39 a month. So you can come and just try it out. Just email me, rich@tradingwars.com, for the link. And anybody that wants to go to the next level, I actually had a call with a person today. If you want one-on-one coaching with me, sign up for the bundle program right here. It comes with all 4 of my books, plus the lifetime to the swing room that you saw, the power of the 618, one-on-one with me. And you're going to get 4 months in the day trading room on top of that. And I'm going to double it up. If you pay the full 800, we'll do 1 full year. So triple it up. All right, that's it. I hope you learned something. Thank you. We're going to go ahead and try to hit it again. Next week, I want another winner. Thank you so much, guys. Hit the comment, hit the like, and let's end it with something positive. Let's say something positive on the way out. All right, so this is what we're going to say. So, someone actually messaged me on Twitter the other day and said that they gave up because they were just losing a lot of money, right? And they said, how are you able to stay profitable? So the one thing that I want you guys to walk away with today is it's all about the risk to reward, all right? A lot of you guys are risking $200 to make $10 or $200 to make $50. I want you guys to get in the habit. If you're going to risk $200 on a trade or $100 on a trade, try to double it. Try to go for $200 profit, $400 profit. Because if you do that with a 2-to-1 risk to reward, you only need to win 34% of your trades. 34 out of 100 trades with a 2-to-1 risk to reward equals a profit. And I believe that you can do that. Thank you very much, my friends. Take care.